This is the trading setup that's allowed me to go from an unprofitable trader to a consistently profitable trader. But I want to show you guys exactly my TradingView setup and the indicators that I use more often than not, as well as some bonus indicators that help me with more confluence. So the first indicator I use is obviously Easy Algo. So if you don't have Easy Algo already, be sure to click the first link in the description below. This is my own custom buy and sell algorithm. I refer to it as a buy sell indicator, but really it's a price action tool and will help you identify key levels in your trading, as well as multiple other confluences that can help you become a better trader. So that's the first indicator that I use. I also use Easy Algo SR, which comes with Easy Algo, which just has these automatic support and resistance levels and zones. I also forgot to mention that within the Easy Algo settings, I like to turn on the reversal bands. I don't use a trend dashboard all that often, but I sometimes will if I'm on a lower time frame. But I like to use the reversal bands and set the length to 30. When that's set to 30, you can see that price tends to respect these outer reversal bands a lot better. And the third indicator that I use pretty often is Fu Manchu Cipher B down here. And I've obviously customized the colors a bit to match the colors of Easy Algo, but the inputs are totally default and I haven't changed any of the inputs, maybe turned like the RSI off, but everything else is default. And I like to use Fu Manchu as another confluence with the Easy Algo trading indicator. And what I look for on Fu Manchu are these momentum waves. As you can see right here, we had this bearish momentum wave with this Fu Manchu sell dot right here at this Easy Algo resistance level. So that is going to be a trade that I would take. And same thing right here, we see that we have this bullish momentum wave here at the bottom with these two blue dots right here, right? These two Fu Manchu buy signals at this Easy Algo support level, right? So we came down to the support level. And it looks like we're starting to reclaim this level and price is looking bullish. So I would actually enter a long after I see that second Fu Manchu buy signal. And like I said, this right here is the TradingView setup that has allowed me to go from unprofitable and losing to becoming a profitable trader. Now, not every trade that I take is a winning trade, right? I'd say 60% of the time my trades are winning and another 40% of the time my trades are losing. But it's all about your risk to reward and your trading strategy. So even though I have all the right tools that allow me to trade profitably, the reason I'm profitable is not because of these tools per se, right? The reason that I'm profitable is because I have a trading plan, right? I come in each day with a trading plan. I have a clear invalidation level. These tools obviously help me out, but at the end of the day, I know what I'm doing and I have that trading plan in place. And if you don't have that trading plan in place, make sure to find one. You should be able to explain your trading strategy within one sentence or less on the top of your head. So if you can't do that, then you really need to rethink your whole trading plan as a whole and kind of recollect your thoughts and what you're going to do when you trade. All right, so now that you know my full setup, I want to show you guys my thoughts on Bitcoin at the moment and some potential trades that you could be taking. I was initially looking for a swing failure of these candles right here, or potentially a swing failure of these candles right here, which we had just gotten with that mild buy signal on Easy Algo and that buy dot on Fu Manchu Cipher B. It's also a major point of control, and it is an Easy Algo support level on a higher time frame. So at this point, I'd be looking to take a long position on Bitcoin. The only thing that kind of worries me a little bit is that the daily is looking very, very bearish. As you can see, we didn't even manage to reach that 0.5 fib, which is usually not a good sign when we can't even reach the 0.5 fib. But it looks like we are forming some support right here. So at this point, I would be looking for a long position. So my bias is long on a smaller time frame. And if we were to manage to come back up to this high resistance level here, or this high wick, I would be looking for a swing failure here and possibly a tag of the 0.5 fib before coming back down. So this would be a nice little double top with a swing failure pattern right there. If we manage to keep going up, I am expecting a rejection from this golden pocket all the way from this high over here, and it's also a tag of the trend line on the daily time frame. If we go to the daily time frame, you can see that we are making lower highs. So if we were to come up to this golden pocket, we also have that trend line as another piece of confluence, and we also have a major point of control. Those are my current levels that I'm looking to play on Bitcoin. Of course, if we come down here to this low level, I will be looking for a swing failure pattern of these low candle wicks down here. So if we were to manage to break the support and come down, I'd be looking for a swing failure right around here and then enter a long position on the candle retrace. Now, since it is towards the end of December, I wouldn't recommend trading right now if you're currently trading full-time or part-time. I'd recommend to take the next 2 to 3 weeks off, at least that's my plan, since volume is declining in the markets and price action is obviously terrible. So spend this time to keep learning, and I can't wait to show you guys some of the updates that we have coming soon. Really going to change the game, so stay tuned for that. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.